મીડિયા મિત્રોનું સ્વાગત છે। આજે આપણે એકત્ર થયા છે આ પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સ માટે। જેમ આપણે બધાને ઇન્વિટેશન આવ્યું હશે, મંદિરમાં એક વિશેષ પહેલ કરી છે આપણે પહેલીવાર, જ્યાં યુવાનો માટે એક માર્ગદર્શન આપવા માટે એક બહુ જ મોટા પાયે એક પ્રોગ્રામ થવાનું છે, જેનું નામ છે પરિવર્તન। જેમ નામ સજેસ્ટ કરે છે, આ એક પરિવર્તનનું પહેલ છે, જ્યાં આપણે યુવાનોને સમાજની અંદર એક પ્રોપર માર્ગદર્શન આપવા માટે, એમને જે પાશ્ચાત્ય દેશના અભ્યાસો છે એને વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે સ્વીકારવા માટે, અને દેખાદેખી ખાલી પોતે અભ્યાસો ના સ્વીકારી લે, એને આપણે પ્રોપરલી ડાયરેક્શન આપવા માટે એમને, જેમ આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય છે, જેવું સંગ એવું રંગ, તો એવું કે એક સંગઠન આપવા માટે આપણે બધા એકત્ર થયા છે। અને એમાં ઘણા બધા મોટા હસ્તીઓ જોડાય છે આપણી સાથે, સાંસ્કૃતિક ઉદ્દેશ્યથી અને બીજા અમુક મનોવૈજ્ઞાનિક એવા વિભિન્ન પ્રકારના ફિલ્ડથી બધા જોડાય છે। અને એ કાર્યક્રમ 22 તારીખે આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે, 22 ફેબ્રુઆરી આવતા શનિવારે। તો એ કાર્યક્રમના વધુ માહિતી વિગત આપવા માટે હું રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીશ શ્રી રાસપરાયણ પ્રભુ, જે મારી સાથે આજે ઉપસ્થિત છે। અને શ્રી રાસપરાયણ પ્રભુ મંદિરથી છેલ્લા 15 વર્ષથી જોડાયેલા છે અને યુવા સંગઠનના હેડ છે, અને આ કાર્યક્રમોમાં એમને વધુ ને વધુ એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે। અને હું એમને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીશ કે આપણા મીડિયા મિત્રોને ડિટેલમાં આ કાર્યક્રમનું વિગત સમજાવે। हरे कृष्ण।
नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I welcome all of you, the print media, to grace this occasion. This event called Parivartan, it's a first of its kinds. We're going to name it as a mega youth festival for a drug-free youth. Now, drug can be substance, drug can be mobile, drug can be relationship, drug can be anything which takes us away from our goals, especially youngsters. So this particular event is going to address this particular aspect of youngsters. I'll just read out the intention, then later on I'll try to explain to you so that it can be very brief as much as possible. So we are thrilled to announce Parivartan, a mega youth festival, scheduled to be held on Saturday, 22nd February of this month at our temple Hare Krishna Mandir, Badaj. It's a event aims to create a vibrant platform to inspire, engage and empower the youth through various cultural, educational and social initiatives. We're expecting an enthusiastic participation of close to 1,000 young individuals from across the state. We are seeing that how drug is destroying the youth of the country. Parivartan is a fight against drug addiction, and thus the core objective of Parivartan is to foster spirit of innovation, creativity and leadership among the youth, while promoting Gujarat as a dynamic destination for culture and social engagement. By and large, this is the intention of our purpose. And course of events will be, course of itinerary will be, we'll have registration for around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock we'll have prayers and invocation, then we'll have a keynote speech, then there will be panel discussion and where youth is going wrong and addictions, and we'll have exclusive drama on that, a skit performed by indie group, and there will be promotions and there will be musical concerts. And there are a few important personalities who will be gracing the occasion. So we have His Grace Amitasana Dasa, who's a governing council member of Hare Krishna Movement India, and he's also the temple president of Hare Krishna Movement Jaipur as well as Mumbai. And we have Ankit Bayanpuria, fitness influencer, Colonel Rajiv Barwan, who's a veteran and a motivational speaker, and psychologist Dr. Sarthak Dave, who is a mental health psychiatrist advocate among others who will be participating in this event. So this is by and large sum and substance of what we are going to do. तो इस प्रोग्राम में बेसिकली हम यंगस्टर्स को एड्रेस करना चाहते हैं, दोस हु आर going through a lot of challenges these days because there's a cultural revival also and there is cultural eroding also. So we want to focus on the positive and bring the youth again to the cultural revival through our teachings of Bhagavad Gita. And is inspired by the teachings of Swami Prabhupada, who single-handedly started this worldwide Hare Krishna movement. At the age of 70, he crossed the ocean and he established this International Society for Krishna Consciousness. And his most important aspect was he helped youngsters those days who were called as hippies. They were into all drugs and abusers and whatnots. And he transformed them to become happies. And based on his own teachings, we're going to inspire youngsters today who are imitating the Westerners and forgetting our own culture and values and ethics to bounce back to our own culture. So based on his teachings, we want to present youth in a presentable format. They like music, so we have a concert. So we want to have our own Gujarati-based performer, Nandlal Changa, who want to present the folk audience with Hare Krishna bhajans and kirtans and enthrall the audience. People love music and youngsters love music. So we want to use the music also. And they are into theatre and play and etc. So we have a theatre and a play also simultaneously so that the message can be conveyed. In the play, there will be a current situation of youngsters. Somebody is addicted to gaming, somebody is addicted to mobile, somebody is addicted to drugs. And there's interaction with them and finally how the Bhagavad Gita transforms them. So this is one thing. And other than, apart from this elite panelist, we'll be having a questionnaire session, there will be a panel discussion. And they will be addressing all the issues of the youngsters. MC will be from Radio Mirchi. And he will be addressing those questions, which particularly the youth have. And they will be answering those questions. These are the personalities whom they generally youngsters look upon. So I definitely feel that the presence of such elite panel and the youngsters and drama and rock concerts, folk concert and food, prasadam, will be a dynamic force because youngsters are already into these things. So just are changing the perspective. Arjuna also wanted to fight. Duryodhana also wanted to fight. When the fight is meant for dharma, so we add just, Arjuna didn't stop fighting. Arjuna continued to fight for Krishna. In the same way, those elements of what youngsters are attracted to, we use the same thing to convey the message of Bhagavad Gita so that they can transform their lives. Their Disha and Dasha both get transformed. So this is the sum and substance of what I wanted to say. And even of late when I was preparing for this Parivartan, Honorable Home Minister Harshji also mentioned. I just want to read out his message. Last year, in the June month 2024, he had a campaign on drug-free Gujarat. So he says, all the saints, leaders, academicians and journalists should come together to be on one family and keep the youth of Gujarat away from drugs. So this is what his appeal to the all saints, leaders, academicians and journalists. So keeping some line of inspiration from his statement, so we wanted to launch this Parivartan so that the people, especially youngsters, because they are the future of our country, if they are not taken care, then we have a big problem coming in. We are already facing that. So keeping hope on the positive change which the current scenarios have brought in, so that will help youngsters to bounce back and be what we want them to be, truly, really inspired leaders in the society and work on for themselves, for their goals and respective things what they want to achieve in their lives. Otherwise, they are going, it's an opportunity for them to change and transform. That's why Parivartan. Change begins within.